Veterinary Multifunctional CT Installation Guide. Unpacking. Upon delivery, there will be 2 shipping crates, containing the main unit and the mobile bed respectively. Carefully remove the outer packaging. Included accessories. Take out all accessories and set them aside for use. Emergency stop cable, power cord and foot switch, docking station, HDMI cable, and USB extension cable. Connecting the carbon fiber bed to the main unit. Move the main unit into the lead-lined room. Push the carbon fiber bed into the lead-lined room. Thread the carbon fiber bed's connecting cables from the bottom of the main unit through to the rear. Each cable and port is clearly labeled. Plug each cable into the corresponding port with the matching label and secure it tightly. Connecting emergency stop, power, and foot switch cables. Connect the power cord. Connect the emergency stop cable. Connect the foot switch and place the foot pedal inside the control room. Connecting USB extension cable and HDMI cable. Take out the USB extension cable. Place the thicker connector end in the control room. Pass the other end through the wall, pass-through hole between the lead-lined room and the control room. Take out the HDMI cable. Place either end of the HDMI cable in the control room. Pass the other end through the wall. Pass through hole between the lead-lined room and the control room. Open the rear access panel of the instrument. Thread the USB extension cable and HDMI cable through the designated openings. Plug them into the corresponding ports on the built-in PC unit. Connect the docking station to the USB extension cable interface. Connect the power adapter to the docking station. Take out the Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the network port on the docking station. Insert the USB receiver for the wireless keyboard or mouse and the license dongle into the docking station. Place the monitor inside the control room. Plug the HDMI cable into the corresponding port on the back of the monitor. Once the device is powered on, the monitor will automatically display the synchronized screen. Securing the device. Position the device in the designated area. Lock the casters and secure the leveling feet. Powering on. Turn on the main power supply. Turn on the power switch on the main unit. Installation complete.